Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to share Chrome browser tab across devices using your Google account. First, make sure you are logged in with the same Google account on both your PC and other device, where you will be sharing the links to. First, open new tab on the device and click on Customize Chrome. Scroll down and go to Toolbar. Scroll down until you find the option called Send to your device and toggle it on. After turning it on, go to any tabs that you want to share. Let's say, for example, I want to share this to your other device. Go to the top right and click on this icon. Click on your device that you want to share, and a notification will appear on the receiving device with the tab link. This way, you can instantly continue browsing on device without manually sending URLs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.